Hey everyone, my name is Brandon Griffin. Today I'm going to show you how to import and export a project in Qualtrics. So I want to do a randomizer how-to video, and I want to copy the project that I used in my test project previously. So I need to export that and I need to import that into my new survey. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click into my project that I want to export, make sure I'm on the survey tab, go over to Tools. Towards the bottom there's this import export box, and there are 4 different options: print survey, import, export, and export survey to Word. I want to export the survey, and it'll export something with a .qsf file. So now if I wanted to create a new project, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create project. So I went back to the home screen, create project. It gives me sample projects or templates, but I'm just going to go ahead and do a survey from scratch. I'm going to click on get started. And then I can title this whatever I want, but it asks me right here, how do you want to start your survey? I can create a blank survey project. I can do a couple different things, or I can import a .qsf. That stands for Qualtrics survey format. So I'm going to go ahead and click the import a QSF, choose a file, and I'm going to click on that .qsf file. And when I hit create project, what's going to happen here is that it is going to recreate that project, but it's under this new untitled project. Another way to do this is if you're already in your survey, you can click on survey, you can go over to tools, and towards the bottom there's going to be import export, and you can go ahead and import this survey here. So we're doing the exact same thing, but instead of doing this, we are essentially just importing it within the project screen. And as you saw there, one thing it says this import will create a new survey. So we can go ahead and import that. It'll create a new survey. So it actually creates another one called test project. So good luck importing, exporting, using Qualtrics. Good luck with your study, your research, whatever you're using Qualtrics for. You have a great day and happy learning. Goodbye, everyone.